and welcome to Osgoode Professional Development's information session on single course enrollment in our Canadian Common Law LLM courses. The information in this presentation is current as of May 1st, 2013. My name is Megan Thomas, and I'm an international program lawyer here at Osgoode Professional Development. In our presentation today, I'll give you a brief introduction to the Canadian Common Law LLM program and courses. I'll talk about why you might be considering single course enrollment and why it might be beneficial for you. I'll talk about the tuition and application process and give you some contact information if you have further questions. Let's begin by talking about why we are introducing the Canadian Common Law LLM program. It's designed for graduates of law degree programs outside Canada or Canadian civil law degree programs. It's for candidates who have legal practice experience or who may be recent graduates from law school. This program is designed to help with National Committee on Accreditation requirements by providing core courses in foundational subjects, as well as elective courses from our JD and professional LLM programs. I note here that it's very important to remember that students are fully responsible for satisfying any National Committee on Accreditation requirements to take courses or complete NCA challenge exams. For those of you who are interested in finding out more about the Canadian Common Law LLM program, how it relates to NCA requirements, and other features of the program, I suggest you visit the information session on our website about the full LLM program. In this presentation, we're going to talk about why you might consider taking one or two of our Canadian Common Law LLM courses. This is a new process that's been available just for a very short time through our York graduate faculty. It allows you to take either one or two LLM courses, up to 12 credits, if you, for example, are not able to commit at this time to taking a full LLM program, or perhaps you only need one or two of our Canadian Common Law LLM courses, for example, to meet your NCA accreditation requirements to receive a certificate of qualification. Your options for single course enrollment are to apply to either audit the course, which would mean that you are simply sitting in and listening to the lectures, you're not completing assignments, and you don't receive a transcript. Or you can apply to take the course with assessment, which essentially means you have the same status as other students in the course, you complete assignments or exams, and you receive a transcript. After you've successfully completed a course with assessment, you could later apply for advanced standing in an LLM program, or you could use the completion of the course to help with your NCA course requirements. Our Canadian Common Law professional LLM courses generally follow one of two formats. They are either a 3-hour class once a week for each course, or some of our courses are intensive courses that are held, for example, for 3 to 5 days in a row. There's a significant outside class time commitment to complete readings before you attend class and perhaps work on assignments. The evaluation is at the graduate level, and as a single course enrollment student, you are treated the same as a student in the full LLM program. The typical evaluation method for these courses is a take-home exam for a period of 48 hours to 7 days. However, some courses have presentations, papers, or other evaluation methods. As a student in our program, you receive assistance with registration. We enroll you in the class, and we would provide you with course books and materials, as well as access to our learning management system, which will have a website for the course in which you are enrolled. On On your screen now is the schedule, which is current as of May 1st, 2013, of the core courses that are currently available in the Canadian Common Law program. You will see that there are 6 courses. One of those courses, Canadian Administrative Law, is being made available twice in the first academic year, in the winter as well as in the summer terms. Some of these courses are 6-credit courses and others are 3-credit courses. And many of these courses correspond to some of the most frequently required courses for candidates going through the NCA accreditation process. One course of note that may be of interest to you is Canadian Public and Constitutional Law, which actually includes both constitutional law and foundations of Canadian law for NCA purposes. This schedule includes not only the name and the term for the course, but it also includes the schedule for each course and the instructors' names. The syllabi and course outlines for these programs will be approved by the NCA as equivalent to taking a course at any Canadian Common Law law school. The tuition fees for single course enrollment reflect the fact that you are enrolled as equivalent to an LLM student. The fee per course for domestic students is approximately $3,600. This is for a 6-credit course. And for an international student, just under $5,000 per course. Again, this is for a 6-credit course. The course fee includes your course materials and your textbooks, as well as light meals that are served here at Osgoode Professional Development when you come in for your class. Of course, our tuition fees are subject to change as they are periodically reviewed by the university. The application process for single course enrollment is relatively straightforward. The application forms are on our website. If you are applying for a course with assessment, you need to submit not only the form, but also a $100 application fee, your CV or resume, unofficial transcripts from your law degree, as well as a copy of your NCA assessment report showing that you are required to take the course in the area you've requested. Admission in these courses is subject to space availability, as we are required to give priority to students who are enrolled in our full LLM program. We will begin considering applications approximately 6 weeks before the courses start. We hope that you found this presentation helpful in understanding the single course enrollment process and why it might be right for you. If you have any further questions, please do contact our professional LLM admissions department at the phone number on your screen or by email. Again, the address is shown here. We